Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Pokemon. We're going to go over how to draw Arbok. It's going to be simple, easy, and for beginners. So simple meaning you can do this even if you've never drawn before. And just direct, step by step. The other thing is it's going to be short. It's going to be about 10 minutes, if at most. And we're going to be using this Acrylic brand marker. You can use anything you want. You can use a pencil or pen. You can follow along with me step by step, or you could just kind of watch it happen. You could sit back and watch it happen. So it's up to you. Woo! Alright, let's get going. Curve line here for the top of the head. Curve line down here for the open mouth. He's a cobra, by the way. Just gotta let you know. Essentially, it's gonna look like a cobra. Angled line here for the eye. Downward here. And down here, the eye is essentially a triangle. And we're going to fill that in with the pupil and the iris. Or well, it's really just the pupil. It's a big pupil. Line. Line over here. Tongue. Fork tongue. Open mouth. We're going to draw the bottom portion of that mouth. Like that. And we're going to put some triangular teeth shapes in the mouth. Curve line over here for the bottom of the jaw. And what's going to happen is it's going to play into the wings of this cobra here. So I'm going to go down. Curve line, it's going to get a little big. Down. Far side over here, so think of the wings on the far side. Alright. Go down here. And it's going to be like a zigzag, right? Because he's got the rest of his snake body. And that's going to go around here. It's alright, I know I did a lot there. If you want to catch up, forgive me. Also, right now is a good time to subscribe and click the bell notification. When you subscribe, I draw. Basically, I have a drawing lesson every day on, Pokemon, on Among Us, on Fortnite, on what else? I need more Fortnite on here. Minecraft, on just anything. Cute animals, cute dinosaurs, cute prehistoric animals. So, like I said, I post every day. When you subscribe and click the bell notification, it's going to show you that thumbnail, that little thumbnail of mine every day. It's going to show you that little thumbnail on your feed. You're going to be like, oh, cool, like, I want to draw that today, Or you can be like, nah, I don't want to draw that today. But it'll at least give you that choice to be like, oh, maybe there's something cool I want to draw today. So, absolutely click that if you want that. And click notification so it lets you know. Bottom portion of that. Line over here for the snake-like body. Excuse me. Ooh, I'm a little tired. Curve line for the actual body right here. We're gonna curve it. It has like an earthworm type body. Pokemon is one of those things that I always say, and I'm so surprised that it's stuck around this long. It's something that started in my generation, and it's still going like strong. It's kind of wild. It's like a modern day classic, right? Pikachu. I always say the two things that stuck around since my time. See, right now I'm just going along and just doing this line here, okay, across. That's all I'm doing. The two things that stuck around are SpongeBob and Pokemon. I mean, those are two things that really stuck around. Curve line here. Curve line here. All right, let's go into that design right there on his chest, and that's a big deal. So he's got an arrow down here at the top, like so. So we have a V shape. It's gonna pull in, pull up, pull in. Two lines here, right there on that arrow. Let's go over here and draw one side over here. Now it's got this almost like a butterfly style design. Circle here. Let's draw another circle with a slightly pointed edge on this side. On the top, it's like more curved over here, and it's a little less curved on this side, a little more pointy. and then a bit of like a heart there at the end there inside. Alright, now we're going to go to the other side, and we're going to draw it on the far end. So it's going to be covered up by a lot of stuff over here. Down. Line here. Alrighty. So now we're going to go... Okay, so we have these two sides, right? And then now we're going to have the bottom design, which is like curved line underneath them. Again, very butterfly-like. Curve down here. It's more or less just kind of filling that void of space. Alright. And now I'm going to draw a thicker line on the outside contour. The reason I do that is because I think it looks nice. I think it looks very, very nice. I'm going to start selling stickers on here soon. But not too soon. It's gonna be a while. I mean, I have a lot of other projects I'm working on, but it's so fun, right? It's so much fun to work on these different projects for art. And let me know what you do other than drawing. What do you do? Is there another hobby you have? I just started juggling. Maybe I'll post that at some point for no reason, for kicks. I just started juggling. At least trying to. Try to learn on my own. And I also just started rock climbing. Those two I started just recently, so it's pretty much just gonna, be that for a while. Oh, actually, I did start skating as well. All I'm doing is making a thicker line over here. Right, all I'm doing is making a thicker line everywhere. But yeah, so maybe I will post about that stuff. If you do want me to post my own other hobbies, let me know. Like I'll start posting on the community page. The community page is a great place. I haven't posted on there in a little bit, but for a while I was posting like every day, like just to question stuff. I'll probably start again because I do like it. I do think it's fun. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. If you want, you can also maybe fill in the... Well, I'm going to put a thicker line here. I'm not going to quite fill in the mouth, but I'm going to put a thicker line here. Anyways, that is it. If there's a Pokemon character I have not drawn yet that you want me to draw, let me know. It's a big deal. Let me know in the comment section, because I'm not sure which ones to keep drawing, Look at the Pokemon playlist. I think I might have that in the description. But if not, go check out the Among Us playlist or the Dinosaur one. I have those there. And if you're into like hour-long drawing drawing lessons, go to my Skillshare. My Skillshare has, how to draw hands, like a long lesson on that for beginners, for complete beginners. I have how to draw a dragon, like in more detail. How to draw, anatomy, human anatomy, that stuff. The more, I guess, complex, long lessons that people just will usually not sit around for on YouTube are all on Skillshare. Go check that out. Click the link in the description, and when you click that link, I think that gives you 2 months free of Skillshare if you sign up. It's just a whole other platform, but it's so easy, and I love it. There's so much good stuff on there. They're really big on quality, so what they do is they'll get rid of programs they don't like. Like, they'll be like, that's just not good enough. Boom, they're out. It's completely different than YouTube, where you can just put junk up and leave it up there. But anywho, that's why I like the quality control they have on Skillshare. So they're really big on it. Thank you so much. My name's Enrique. Say hi to me in the comment section. We can talk. Talk to you later.